Mike from RVS, and today I just wanted to show how easy it is to install RVS treatment to your engine. This installation is to a Suzuki V-Strom 650. It's got about 4,500 miles on it, and as it's still quite a low mileage, we will actually only need to do one application. So I've checked the amount of oil needed in the bike. You can check this in your owner's manual, or you can use the link on the rvstech.co.uk website. When you know the amount of your oil your engine takes, you will need the corresponding RVS product for your engine. In this case, the Suzuki has a oil capacity of, I think it's 2.6 litres, which means it's over the amount for the G2 version of the treatment. So I picked up the G4 version. I've been out and got the engine oil up to normal running temperature. As you can see, the bike is on its centre stand, and this allows me to check the oil and also to run the engine up safely once I've made the application. So what we need to do, grab the box, which is the G4, and just check the seal, make sure it isn't broken, and inside you'll find some instructions, a bottle, another bottle or a little tube of gel, and a sticker. What we then need to do is add the contents of the gel into the small bottle, which we'll do now. Okay, so we now need to add the contents of the gel into the bottle of oil, which we can do now. And what we're doing is we're going to make sure it's all nicely mixed together. So let's pop that in there, gel in there. Make sure we get it all in. Just a bit right in the bottom. And now we need to mix the contents together. So a lot of shaking. You want to do this for about 30 seconds. Just make sure it's really well mixed together. Okay, I think we're probably there. Right, so the next step is to add half the contents of the bottle to the engine, which we'll do now. So take the cap off. It's half the contents we need, see it? Okay, half in. Cap back on. And now we need to run the engine at idle for about 15 minutes. So we'll start her up. Okay. During this process, what you'll probably notice is that you'll get some condensation coming out of the exhaust. But we'll let it run for 15 minutes now, and then I'll show you the next part of the process. Okay, now I don't know if you can see with this, but we're just starting to get a little bit of condensation coming through from the exhaust. You can just see a little bit from the exhaust there, and this is perfectly normal. Just a little bit of condensation coming through. Okay, we've let the engine idle for 15 minutes, so we now need to add the second half of the bottle to the engine. Give it another quick shake, just get it all nicely mixed up together, and we'll put the last bit in there. Try and get every last bit out the bottle. Should do it. Okay, so we've done the application. I'm now going to take the bike for a ride just to make sure the treatment coats all the surfaces. This means you want to do about a 30-minute ride, and I need to make sure that I use all the gears but keep it at a low RPM and only accelerate slowly. So I hope this video has been informative, and thanks for watching, and please check out all the range of RVS products on the website, which is rvstech.co.uk.